In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com CRM. We'll walk through setting up a CRM workspace from a template, exploring your deals and properties, switching between different views, and then jumping into contacts and learning resources so you can really understand what's going on in your account. Start by opening your Monday.com homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the area that lets you create something new, like a board or workspace. That's the highlighted section you'll want to click. This is where you can choose to build from scratch or use one of Monday's ready-made templates. Next, select the option to start with a template. Templates are a great way to get up and running with CRM faster because they come with pre-built groups, columns, and views that are already tailored for tracking leads, properties, or deals. When the Template Center opens, go to the search bar and type in the highlighted CRM template name shown on your screen. This filters the list so you don't have to scroll through everything. Once you see the CRM template you want, click on it to open the details, preview the board structure, and confirm it matches what you need. Then, click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board or workspace in your account based on that template. After a moment, you'll see your new CRM board already populated with example items such as properties or deals. On this CRM board, you'll notice several sample listings. Click into a few of them, like the different property names you see on your screen. Opening these items helps you understand how information is organized. You'll typically see status columns, owners, dates, timelines, and any custom fields that came with the template. Now move up to the view bar and click on Timeline. This view shows your items laid out over time, which is helpful for understanding deal stages, contract periods, or key dates at a glance. From there, switch over to the Map view. Here, properties or locations that have address or location data will be plotted visually, giving you a geographic perspective on your CRM data. Next, click on the Contacts view. This will usually take you to a related contacts board where each row represents a person such as a client, buyer, or agent. Open a few contact records to see how details like phone, email, and relationship status are structured. This relationship between deals, properties, and contacts is what makes the CRM powerful. From there, navigate to your main agency dashboard or overview. In this high-level view, click on key metrics such as the total value figure and the days on market or days to close values. Exploring these areas helps you understand how your CRM data rolls up into summary stats and performance indicators. You'll also see additional links or items you can click, like specific properties and an entry for the CRM Learning Center. Open the CRM Learning Center, then the Real Estate CRM Learning Center, and finally, the Essentials section. These areas contain guided resources and explanations that complement what you're seeing in your own workspace, so you can keep building on what you've learned today and adapt the CRM to your workflow.